How to add Stan Store to Instagram. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to add Stan Store to your Instagram account. So basically you can add your Stan Store link to your Instagram account quite easily. So in order to add the link, just simply open your Stan Store account, and after that just simply log into your account using your credentials. And once you're logged in into your Stan Store account, after that just simply go to the top right corner of the screen, and from there you will be able to see your Stan Store account link. Just simply click on the copy section, and your URL for the Stan Store account will be copied in your clipboard. And after that just simply open your Instagram account, and over here just simply go to your profile section from the bottom right corner of your mobile screen, and over here just simply click on edit profile, and over here in the bio section just simply tap on it, and after that just paste the Stan Store link that you have just copied from your Stan Store account, and after that just simply click on save from the top right corner, and that's how your Stan Store link will be added to your Instagram account. So that's how you do it. So this is basically how you will be able to add Stan Store to your Instagram account. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.